Don't delete social media. That advice sounds powerful, but for most people, it fails. Because the real problem isn't social media itself. It's the lack of control. Deleting everything might work for a few days, maybe even a few weeks, but eventually you come back. And when you do, the habit is stronger than before. Real discipline isn't avoidance, it's mastery. If you want to stop being controlled by scrolling, you don't need extreme solutions. You need better systems. Here's how you take control without running away. Step 1. Make social media less accessible. Addiction thrives on convenience. The easier something is to access, the harder it is to resist. Right now, social media lives in your pocket. One tap, one scroll. No effort required. So the first move is simple. Remove social media apps from your phone. Not forever, just from instant reach. Force yourself to access them only through a laptop or desktop. This single barrier turns scrolling into a conscious decision instead of an automatic reaction. And if deleting the apps isn't realistic for you, set strict time limits. Physically place your phone away from your workspace. Out of sight matters more than you think. Even small obstacles break compulsive behavior. Because habits don't disappear when motivation increases. They disappear when friction increases. Step 2. Learn to sit with boredom. One of the biggest reasons social media feels addictive is because it erases boredom entirely. Waiting in line, sitting alone. 5 quiet minutes. Instead of letting your mind rest, you flood it with stimulation. And over time, your brain forgets how to be still. Boredom feels uncomfortable because your attention span is damaged. But discomfort isn't the enemy, avoidance is. When boredom appears, don't escape it. Sit with it, no phone, no scrolling, no background noise. At first, your mind will fight back. That's normal. But slowly, something powerful happens. Your focus begins to recover. Your impulse control strengthens. Your mind relearns depth. Boredom is not wasted time. It's recovery for your attention. Step 3. Replace scrolling with purpose. Removing a habit without replacing it almost always leads to relapse. Because the brain needs direction. If you don't give it purpose, it will return to distraction. So create structure. Every day, give yourself 3 simple anchors. 1 task for your mind. Study. Learn. Read. Build a skill. 1 task for your body. Train. Walk. Stretch. Move. 1 task for your future. Reflection. Planning. Journaling. Vision. Nothing complicated, just intentional. Purpose fills the space scrolling once occupied. And discipline grows when your days have direction. Step 4. Schedule guilt-free relaxation. This is where most people fail. They try to be disciplined all the time, and eventually they burn out. Discipline without recovery becomes rebellion. So instead, schedule your relaxation. Choose 1 fixed hour each day. An hour where you are allowed to relax without guilt. Social media entertainment. Rest, but only after your priorities are done. When relaxation is earned, it no longer feels like escape. It becomes recovery. This transforms social media from a distraction into a controlled reward. Don't run from social media. Don't rely on extremes, because control is stronger than avoidance. Start applying these steps today, not to prove anything to others, but to prove something to yourself, that you can master your habits instead of being ruled by them. Choose control. Choose awareness. Choose within.